very good day to all of you. So today's topic would be subtraction of like fraction. You can see on the board that two fractions have been given with the same denominator. So any fraction with the same denominator are called like fractions. So how do I do this? These kind of sums, a very simple one. So when we have a common denominator, we don't need to do anything else. We write down the common denominator over here as 19, and then we just subtract the numerators, and we get 4 out of 90. That's it. That's what we need to do. Let's go for the second sum. If you can see over here, 30 is the common denominator between both the fractions. So we need to do just write down the common denominator, that is 30, and then we simply write down the numerator. We are not supposed to subtract the denominator with the denominator. That means 30 minus 30 is not supposed to be done. And then we write down 23 minus 18 would be 5 out of 30. Now this can be reduced. 5 out of 30 can be reduced into simpler form. How do I do it? If you divide, if you take a number which can divide both the numerator and the denominator with the same number, we can divide it. So we can reduce it. Now suppose if I take 5 divided by 5 over here, and 30 also needs to be divided by 5. That means we reduce 5 upon 30 by the same number, which is 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 30 divided by 5 would be 6. So this is my sum that is done. If you want, you can increase the size over here. So this is the third sum that we have done. If we want, we can go ahead with the next one. That was the second sum, I'm so sorry. So let's see. 13 is the common denominator over here. Let me increase the pen size. Yeah. So 13 is the common denominator. We give an equal to sign. We write down the common denominator 13, and over here it's 9 minus 7, which is simply 2 upon 13. 2 is the numerator, 13 is the denominator, and that's it. Finish. I hope this is clear for everyone. Let's do the last sum. So I have a common denominator 29 over here. I write down the common denominator, an equal to sign over here, 29, and I have an 18 over here. I have a 14 over here as the two numerators, and simply I write down 4 out of 29. So my subtraction of like fractions is done. Hope you understand how to solve the subtraction of like fractions. So in the next video, we are going to go into and see how to add unlike fractions, what are unlike fractions, and how do we do them. More or less the same thing, but a few more steps to be taken. So we'll see in the next video. Thank you very much. Keep continue to watch my video. Thank you.